Thinking about cleaning those ugly black streaks on your roof? This discoloration is caused by algae. While algae doesn't harm a roof, it is unsightly and can affect your home's curb appeal and resale value. Before Googling roof cleaners, know the facts. Harsh chemicals or pressure washing can damage asphalt shingles, shorten the life of your roof, and even void your shingle warranty. Not to mention, working on a roof can be dangerous, particularly when it's wet. Be sure to hire a professional who uses safe practices and gentle cleaning methods that won't damage your shingles. According to the Asphalt Roofing Manufacturers Association, a solution of liquid household chlorine bleach and water can lighten algae discolorations. However, directions for mixing these ingredients vary among shingle manufacturers. Better yet, start with the right shingles. The scientists at 3M recognized the problem with algae growth on roofs decades ago and developed a solution: copper-containing granules, which are added in precise amounts and evenly distributed across the shingle. While some competitor shingles claim to have algae block protection, only Atlas Shingles with Scotchgard Protector by 3M offer a lifetime limited warranty against the ugly black streaks caused by algae. With more than 25 years of proven performance, the power of Scotchgard Protector can keep your roof and home looking great for years. For more information about Atlas Shingles with Scotchgard Protector, visit atlasroofing.com/roof-shingles.